Hello, I am Erham Jazz. Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh. We need some plain flour, some salt, some cooking oil, some water and some colour. I have mixed my colour with my water. We need 6 tablespoons of plain flour. We need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 spoons of salt, a bowl for mixing, and some colour water. Now let's make our Play-Doh. Let's put 6 tablespoons of plain flour. Alright, now we're going to put our plain flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's put our salt. One tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. First we need to mix it. We have to put the oil on. Now let's mix it. Now let's add our colour and water. Now let's put some colour. Just a little bit and done. Now we'll mix and mix and mix and mix. You can use your hands. Now let's mix it with our hands. Now let's mix it. Now put it on the table. Dough. Alright, our Play-Doh is ready. This Play-Doh is ready. Thank you so much for watching.